In this video, we are going to install Pandas in our Jupyter notebook. First, open our Jupyter notebook. Type Jupyter space notebook in CMD. After opening our Jupyter notebook, we will be open a new notebook. Go to File, go to New, go to Notebook. Pandas is a NumPy based library. If we install Pandas, NumPy also get installed. To install Pandas and NumPy, we will be type pip install Pandas. But we are writing in notebook, so we will be add exclamation mark to understand our Jupyter console. This is a special command. If we type this in a terminal, we don't have to add exclamation mark. I will simply run it. This will install your pandas. I have already installed, so it is saying required already satisfied. This might take some time. We will check our pandas and numpy is installed or not. So we will import pandas as pd and numpy as np. After importing them, I will simply run this cell. If it does not give any error, means our pandas and numpy is installed finally. After installing numpy and pandas, I will be create a df. To create pandas df, we will be create a data. Pandas data frame accept data in a dictionary format also. So we will create a dictionary. So for this dictionary, our column will be id and name, where values are stored in a collection of data. So for this, I will be use list. Our id will be 123 and our name will be Mayur, Dipak and Vishal. I will simply create this data and then I will pass this data into df. For creating df, there is a pandas function called DataFrame. I will pass this data to that pandas function. So this is a pandas class function. To call it, I will be simply write pd.DataFrame and pass this data. This data will be stored in form of the table. After calling this function, we will also print this so we can see our table format data. Okay, now I'm calling this. For calling, I will be simply type pd.DataFrame and pass this data. Now I will be simply print it. After storing this data in df variable, now I will print this df variable, print df. Now I simply run it. I'm giving error. Model pandas have no attribute as data frame. Okay, I will check for some typing error. No, this is good. I will check syntax. Let me check syntax. Okay. This follows camel casing. You can see it, capital D and capital F. So you have to also follow this. I will be make changes now. Capital F and capital D. Now I simply run this. Okay, this our table is shown here. ID and name.
जिंदगी भर मुझे यूं बहकाए